working on my Mother's Day gift from my mom, and I've had this little miniature trough for years. Could never figure out why I really wanted it, and it dawned on me. And I've got an old Happy Mother's Day thing that was on top of a cake, and I'm just going to use the glue gun and affix it on there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So this is what I did. 3 tomatoes that I've planted this year are Morden tomatoes. Now, in a previous video, I told you that I'm on one of the Morden farms, which was my great uncle's. My great grandparents were across the road. Tom
Nelson
and
Morden,
Marianne Morden, and a cousin of theirs went out to Manitoba, and he started a town way back when called Morden, Manitoba. And these 3 tomatoes were developed in the Morden Research Center: the Morden Yellow Pear Tiny Tomato, the Morden Yellow Slicing Tomato, and the Morden Red Slicing Tomato. And I wrote on the back for Mom that this one is a determinate bush, needs staked, and it was developed in 1950, in the 50s, and this is a determinate, and it was developed in the 1950s, and this one's an indeterminate, and it was developed in the 1940s. So, because my mother's last name was Morden, I don't know about you, but I think that this is a very heartfelt. I wonder if she'll cry. Hope so. It's always nice when you make your mothers cry on Mother's Day, for good crying. Anywho, those are my 3 most important tomatoes that I'm growing this year, and I hope Mom enjoys them.